Do you need a little more automation in your life? Well, let me show you how to integrate Jotform with Pabbly Connect. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and as you can see, I'm currently in the desktop version of my dashboard, and today we're going to connect our Jotform to Pabbly Connect, and we're going to have all of our submissions go from our Jotform over to Google Sheets. So just to get this set up, we can see I already have a form right down here called Pabbly Connect. If I go to Edit Form, we can see I have 4 basic fields. We have name, email, address, and phone number, and if you would like to add more, of course, over on the left-hand side, Add Form Element, choose what you would like. Now next, I'm going to jump over into my Google Sheet. We can see the sheet is called Pabbly Test. I have everything in sheet number 1, and then we have those fields as column headers: name, email, address, and phone number. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to jump over to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to create a brand new workflow. So let's create a workflow. We'll name this one Pabbly Test. We'll choose to create. And the first step is to choose the starting point of this automation. And the starting point, the trigger, is going to be a Jotform submission. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the app as Jotform. And the trigger event is going to be a new response or a new submission. Now next, it gives you perfect instructions right down here, but we're going to copy this right here. We're going to head back over to our form. We're going to choose Settings, and over on the left-hand side, we're going to go to Integrations. We're going to do a quick search for webhooks right here. We're going to delete this. If not, it's going to put 2 of them. I'm going to go ahead and paste. Make sure there's only one HTTPS at the beginning. We will complete our integration and finish, and we should be good to go. So if I head back over to Pabbly, I can see right down here, it's waiting for a webhook response. It means it's waiting for a submission to come in to see if this is going to work. So if I head back over, we're going to do a preview form, and we'll do a quick fill form real quick. We got John Smith, perfect. And we'll go ahead and submit. All right, we'll turn off preview form, head back over to Pabbly, and we can see the response right down here. We have John Smith, perfect. So we can go ahead and head down to the next step. We're going to choose what we want to happen with this data. And like I mentioned, we're going to have these go over to our Google Sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick search for Sheets. And the action event is going to be to add a new row for this example. But again, you can see there's lots of different things that you can do. You can create a sheet, you can have it create a new spreadsheet altogether. But in this one, go ahead and add a new row. We need to connect. And with this, we can either add a brand new connection, we can have it create a new sheet for us, or we can select an existing connection. Now, because I have already created this, I'm going to go ahead and leave it as select an existing connection. We'll do save. And because that Pabbly test sheet was the last one I had open, it's the first one that is on this list. But if you have multiple sheets you're trying to connect, you can always choose the drop down and choose from your list of sheets. So as I scroll down, we can see that we have the sheet, which is again sheet 1. And now we have the name, email, address, and phone number. So we need to map those from our form fields over to Google Sheets. So let's go ahead and choose the name. And from this, we're going to choose first name, space, and then we'll put his last name. Perfect. Now for our email, same thing. We're going to choose his email. Now for address, we're going to have to choose multiple things because it is on multiple rows. So we'll do space, and then we can choose San Francisco, California. Then we have the zip code. And then last is going to be that phone number right here. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead, save, and send a test request. Looks like everything worked. Let's go ahead and jump over to our Google Sheet, and there he is. Let's go ahead and do one more, and we'll do a quick fill form, but we'll do this one as Jane, and we'll change her to Jane we'll just add some different numbers we can see. So we'll do submit. And let's head up to our spreadsheet, and there is Jane, good to go. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to integrate your Jotform account with Pabbly Connect, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.